Today I'm going to show you how to make a savoury short crust pastry. All right, I've already done a sweet short crust pastry. There's not much in it, but I just wanted to show you how to make a savoury. So this could be something like a vegetable pie or a chicken and vegetable pie or even a pasty. Okay, so you just need good plain flour. You need some margarine or butter. I prefer using margarine because it gets to a higher temperature. Some cold water. I'm going to season mine with a bit of paprika because I like it to have a little bit of a kick to it and a bit of a taste. I'm also going to use just a little bit of mustard powder just because I think it just makes the pastry a little bit more interesting. Literally a pinch. In here I've got my margarine, I've got my plain flour, and just because I don't really want to put my hands in here. Obviously, you always wash your hands really well before you cook, prepare food, eat food, anything to do with food really. So give that a good mix up. And what you're really looking for is, it looks like breadcrumbs. So keep going. Best not to put your fingers in here yet because your hands and fingers are warm and that will melt the margarine. So give it a good old mix up like that. It doesn't have to be too accurate. Then make a well in the middle. And what I've got here is some cold water, which I've actually kept in the fridge. So it's really cold water. Obviously, if you make this dish during the summer months, you've got to keep that water super cold to make the pastry cold. This is also a dish where you can make the pastry in advance. So you could make the pastry up, finish it off, cling film it, put it into a bowl and leave it to chill. Now, if it's a little bit, I'd say it's just a little tiny bit soft, don't worry at all, it doesn't matter. Just add a little bit more flour. And there you have a very simple short crust pastry. I'm going to just bring it out of the bowl so you can see it. All right. So just clean off the bowl like that. That's it. You don't want to knead it. It's a pastry. So you just want to bring it together into a nice ball. And then you can either use that immediately or best still, pop it into a bowl, cling film it and put it in the fridge, chill it. And then when you need it, it will be ready to roll out and put over your pie. Easy peasy.